Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly pound dollar, I still think that this is going to continue the uptrend. I think it's going to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either way, I think it's going to go up and take out these highs and end up looking something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely a little bit of an odd looking correction because of how strong the pound has been. But I do think that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. And I think the wave 2 is already over and that we're getting ready to go up for that wave 3, 4, and 5 of A, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where you can actually see this downtrend, which I think is a wave C. I think this is an irregular ABC correction because it did take out the high of the previous trend, but I think it is a wave 2. I think the wave 2 is over, and I think that the trend is up and that it will keep on trending up. Now, we do have CPI news today, so that definitely could change things if we get some big impulsive turn to the downside with a break of structure. But until we get that break of structure to the downside on these medium time frames, like the daily to 4 hour range, I am definitely looking for longs and an uptrend on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see the first move up with the break of structure, proving that this whole move down right here is complete. I think it's a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2, and I think this is all part of a wave 3, which I think is just going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, telling me that I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames at the end of ABC pullbacks. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move to the downside we had yesterday. Now it's starting to go back up very strong. Now we do have CPI news coming out in a few hours, so if it is in a pullback at the news, I would say that is a very good likelihood that the news is going to cause this to end up continuing the uptrend. All the higher time frames are telling me that the trend is up. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for pullback entries at the end of ABC pullbacks, for entries to go long for the continuation of what I think is a wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.